अंबर हेठा धरती वसदी, इथे हर रुत हसदी हो। किन्ना सोना देश है मेरा, देश है मेरा, देश है मेरा। किन्ना सोना देश है मेरा, देश है मेरा, देश है मेरा, देश है मेरा। धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला हो, धरती सुनहरी अंबर नीला, हर मौसम रंगीला। ऐसा देश है मेरा हो, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा। बोले पपीहा कोयल गाए, बोले पपीहा कोयल गाए, सावन घिर के आए। ऐसा देश है मेरा हो, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा। गेहूं के खेतों में कंघी जो करे हवाएं, रंग बिरंगी कितनी चुनरियां उड़ उड़ जाएं। पनघट पर पनहारन जब गगरी भरने आए, मधुर मधुर तानों में कहीं बंसी कोई बजाए। ल सुन लो कदम कदम पे है मिल जानी, कदम कदम पे है मिल जानी कोई प्रेम कहानी। ऐसा देश है मेरा हो, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा। जिन्हों सट इश्क दी लगे होए साई मेरे आ जुगनी, मेरे आ जुगनी कहंदी है ओ नाम साई दा लैंदी है। दिल कट ली ताई जिंद मेरी बाप के कंधे चढ़ के जहाँ बच्चे देखे मेले, मेलों में नट के तमाशे, कुल्फी के चाट के ठेले। कहीं मिलती मीठी गोली, कहीं चूरन की है पुड़िया। भोले भोले बच्चे हैं जैसे गुड्डे और गुड़िया, और इनको रोज सुनाए दादी नानी हो, रोज सुनाए दादी नानी एक परियों की कहानी। ऐसा देश है मेरा हो, ऐसा देश है मेरा, ऐसा देश है मेरा, हाँ ऐसा देश है मेरा।
On behalf of the staff and students of Army Public School Jhansi, I extend a hearty welcome to our principal Mrs. Meenakshi Panjwani. I request the Vice Principal and Mrs. Shashi Agnihotri to kindly escort the Principal for the flag hoisting ceremony. Jai, 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 Jai. Honorable Principal, Mrs. Meenakshi Panjwani, Vice Principal, Mr. Naushad Khan, teachers, beloved students, and the online viewers. Today is 15th August, the birth date of our beloved motherland. And we all have gathered here to celebrate this day, to remind ourselves of our duties, responsibilities, and our ancestors' sacrifices. I warmly welcome you all to this auspicious gathering. A highly warm welcome to each one of you on behalf of our entire school family. Let's start. The first item of today's program commences with a speech on the importance of freedom by Manyata Tripathi of class 9th A.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Manyata Tripathi and I shall be speaking on the topic Importance of Freedom. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world is asleep, India shall awake to life and freedom. These were the iconic words of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, at the eve of independence. Independence, the fruit of the sacrifices of thousands who laid down their lives so that our nation could be freed from the centuries-old shackles of slavery, was finally ours. A salute to the soldiers, freedom fighters, and the citizens of our country who have made the nation proud. As we look back at our strive for independence, we realize that freedom is not an inheritance. Freedom is precious. It must be fought for, valued, and protected at all costs. In the words of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, freedom of the mind is the real freedom. One must keep in mind that the flag that we raise symbolizes our head, and we shall never let it down. It also symbolizes the heads that were beheaded for the pride of our nation, and we shall not let them down either. Us, as the citizens of the country, should always keep the past, present, and the future glory alive in every moment of this day. We shall promise to keep the heads of our soldiers, doctors, industrialists, and the government bodies high, and we shall promise this till eternity. Love can speak volumes even when words become less. Love for freedom of some has left us blessed. Blessed in this freedom, let us care for the people around us. Care for our nation in every possible way. Come, let us wish our beautiful India a very, very happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Happy Independence Day to you all. Today, I, Harshdeep Kaur of Class 7B, presenting here a patriotic song on my issue. And the song name is Ae Watan Mere Abaad Reh Do. Let's start.
That is what we call melody. As we move ahead, let's see what Kunal of Fort D has to say on Independence Day.
Morning, my dear friends. Wish you a very happy Independence Day. Class 4D going to say the few words on this occasion. After 200 years of British rule, India got independence on 15 August 1947. Chacha Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India and his first speech was Trust and Destiny. Independence Day is celebration of our freedom. It is celebrated to commemorate of our war heroes and it is celebrated with full enthusiasm and it is a public holiday. On Independence Day, Prime Minister hoists the national flag on the Red Fort. Independence Day makes us feel that we are one. Jai Hind. Thank you and have a nice day.
Let's now hear some poetry. Here we have Parastesh Deep Singh Chatta reciting the famous poem titled Jhanda Uncha Rahe Hamara.
Jai Hind. My name is Parastish Deep Singh Chatta and I am from class 7C. I am going to tell a poem. It is titled as Jhanda Uncha Rahe Hamara. विजय विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा, सदा शक्ति बरसाने वाला, प्रेम सदा सरसाने वाला, वीरों को हर्षाने वाला, मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा। स्वतंत्रता के भीषण रण में रख कर जोश बड़े क्षण क्षण में, कांपे शत्रु देख कर मन में, मिट जाए भय संकट सारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा। इस झंडे के नीचे निर्भीक हो स्वराज जनता का निश्चय। बोलो भारत माता की जय, स्वतंत्रता ही ध्येय हमारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा। आओ प्यारो वीरो आओ, देश धर्म पर बल बल जाओ, एक साथ सब मिलकर गाओ, प्यारा भारत देश हमारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा। शान ना इसकी जाने पाए, चाहे जान भले ही जाए, विश्व विजय करके दिखलाएं, तभी होए प्रण पूर्ण हमारा, झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
It was a truly patriotic performance. Now let's see some dance moves. Presenting Varuna of class 80, tapping on the beats of Suno Gaur Se Duniya Walo.
I, Varuna Mishra of class 8th, going to present a solo dance on the occasion of Independence Day. Thank you.
A flawless performance, beautifully choreographed. Dear audience, I can see the extra effort and hard work put in by our dear students, even during this testing time of COVID pandemic, which clearly states where there is a will, there is a way. Nothing can deter us. We will move ahead and overcome, crossing all hurdles. We have Abhyuday Chobe of class 8B coming up with an instrumental display, tuning Mera Karma Tu. Let's hear the tune.
पहले सभी को नमस्कार। सबसे पहले सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं और इसी स्वतंत्रता दिवस के पावन अवसर पर मैं आप सभी को एक गाना है कर्मा, उस गाने की धुन को कैसे बजाने जा रहा हूँ, सुनिए।
excellent, worth a praise. Can we applaud him, please? Soldiers are the true sons of our country. They are the real heroes. So here come the young soldiers. Sheikh Shayan Aras of 4th C and Shivaraj Shahaji of 4th E.
हम फौजी इस देश की धड़कन हैं, हर दिल क्या हो प्यार माँ की धड़कन है। पूरा करने चले हर वचन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों।
चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों।
Incredible performance. Their passion spoke volumes. Next, we have Jayavardhan of class 5D enlightening us on the celebrations of Independence Day.
Namaste. We are one. Let us all be proud of our beloved nation. We all have to collectively strive to make India vibrant, strong, and supreme. Happy Independence Day. I, Jayavardhan, Class 5D, extend my warm, heartfelt wishes for the 74th Independence Day. It makes my heart beat with pride to see the colors of Independence Day spreading happiness and great joys all around. We celebrate Independence Day as a national festival of India. The day marks the anniversary of independence from the British Empire on 15th August 1947. The entire nation and we the students celebrate this day with full spirit and patriotism to honor the memory of our freedom fighters who sacrificed their life to gain this freedom. Every citizen of our country pays tribute to them. I will say our freedom is priceless. The school organized various functions to celebrate and to pay the tribute to these freedom fighters. Such performances will fill our heart with a feeling of patriotism and immense love for our country. It also motivates us to bond with each other irrespective for which religion, caste, community or culture we belong to. India has phenomenal growth since independence in the various fields including science, technology, education, agriculture, but still lot to be achieved, a lot to be done. Love India, live in India, and make our India pride in by being Indian. We as students of this country should always keep the past, present, and future glory alive. In every moment of this day, we shall promise to keep the head of our farmers, soldiers, doctors, industrials, government bodies high. Now, as students, it is our turn to continue the legacy of doing something great for our next generation and hope for building a beautiful nation together. And we will make it. May the glory of Independence Day with you be with you forever. On this special day, here is coming your wish a new tomorrow. May your Independence Day filled with patriotic spirit. Long years to go, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge. Or at the approach of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to the freedom, life, faith in the words, pride in our soul. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Coming up next is Sakshi Nathawat of 6D, dancing on the famous number Desh Rangila.
सच्चे प्यार का ठहराव सा रंग झलके पर ना बिखरे, रंग हरा में है रसीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला। यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ के पानी में रंगोली सात रंग, धानी पगड़ी पहने मौसम है नीली, चादर ताने अंबर है, नदी सुनहरी हरा समंदर है, देश गीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला। रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला।
Excellent, Sakshi. Very graceful. Worth a praise. Tajveer Singh of class 3E is coming up with his performance. Let's see what he exhibits.
My name is Tajveer of class 3. I am going to speak dialogue of Bhagat Singh. व्यक्तियों को कुचल के तुम विचारों को नहीं मार सकते। मैं एक ऐसा पागल हूँ जो जेल में भी आजाद है। बम और पिस्तौल पे आंधी नहीं आते। इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद। जय हिंद। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Tajveer. The expression of dance continues. Samaira Uppal and Disha Das show their graceful moves on a patriotic number.
आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला।
ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजय विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा।
जय हिंद।
What a mesmerizing and a powerful performance. A round of applause for these young dancers, please. Coming up are the Gerald sisters, Sneha and Sunena Gerald, with their captivating and powerful dance movements.
एहसास थोड़ा तो जगाए अपने दिलों में हम, सिंदूरी गालों वाला सूरज जो करे ठिठोली। क्या नाम है अपना जहां में खड़े हैं कहाँ पे हम, शर्मीले खेतों को ढकने चूनर पीली पीली। घूंघट में रंग, पनघट में रंग, चम चम चमकीला।
some technical issue. I can see the extra effort and hard work put in by our dear students, even during this testing time of COVID pandemic, which clearly states that where there is a will, there is a way. Nothing can stop us. We move ahead and overcome, crossing all hurdles. Now, I would like to request our principal, Mrs. Meenakshi Panjwani, to kindly come up and say a few words.
A very good morning to one and all watching our live program of Independence Day celebrations at APS Jhansi. जहां डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है सवेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा. Yes, I proudly say, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा Hindustan Hamara. On this auspicious occasion of 74th Independence Day, it gives me immense pleasure to greet all my dear students, parents, and staff for joining us today for the celebration. I want to thank all the parents for their cooperation and teachers who have put in a lot of effort to make the celebrations a success during this time of pandemic. It has been a great day as we had beautiful performances by the students who have all organized and helped in making this special day even more glorified. We have learnt some tough lessons in the year 2020. The invisible virus has demolished the illusion that human being is the master of nature. I believe it is still not too late for humanity to correct its course and live in harmony with nature. The patience and wisdom being demonstrated by all of us is coping with the pandemic and is appreciated, and I am confident that we will continue to maintain caution and act responsible towards Mother Nature. Independence Day is highly significant as India achieved its freedom on this remarkable day. We celebrate this day in order to pay honor to countless Indian leaders who dedicated their lives in the service of our country and sacrificed everything to win back its freedom. We gratefully remember our freedom fighters and martyrs whose sacrifices have enabled us to live in an independent nation. This is also an occasion to glorify the great Indian culture and tradition which has impressed the whole world and will strive to continue the legacy. I am proud to be a citizen of India and feel responsible to celebrate such glorious days. I thank every one of you for making this celebration a success. May all be happy. May all be free from illness. May all see what is auspicious. May no one come to grief. The message of this prayer for universal well-being is India's unique gift of humanity. I once again congratulate everyone on 74th Independence Day and wishing you a good health and bright future. A big thank you to each one of you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words. Before we come to the end of today's program, let's hear Samya's vote of thanks.
I, Samya Katara, am honored to extend the vote of thanks on behalf of the entire APSJ family Firstly, I would like to thank our respected principal ma'am, without whom we wouldn't have even thought of putting up the program on a digital platform. This would have been impossible without her, and we couldn't be more thankful. I would also like to thank our teachers for organizing the entire program and guiding us every step of the way. We couldn't be more grateful. I would also like to take the opportunity to thank the parents for their cooperation. Their contribution has been invaluable. Lastly, I would like to thank the students for putting up such a great show. It was truly enlightening and entertaining at the same time. It reminded us of the contributions made by individuals who will never be forgotten. Thank you, and I wish you a happy Independence Day.
Last but not the least, no program is complete without our school song. So here we have our school song.
ठीक है आने दो सामने दो
And a very happy Independence Day to all. Jai Hind.
जय हिंद।
भारत माता की
जय।
भारत माता की
जय।
भारत माता की
जय।
एपीएस झांसी की
जय।
एपीएस झांसी की
जय।
एपीएस झांसी की